Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to hide files in Google Drive. So as we can see, we have this file. So to hide this file, right click on it. Now right click on your file, then click on manage versions. Now click on upload new version. So now here select any dummy file. Now here click on this three dot and make sure keep forever is selected. If it's not selected, so select keep forever. Now close it. Now once anyone try to open that file, so original version of that file, people will not able to see that one. And guys, if you need to see that version which is your original file, so right click on it, manage versions. Now this is your original file, not hidden. So this is your original file hidden. Click on this three dot and download it, so you can access and you can work on that your original file. So thanks for watching. This is the way and trick to hide a file in Google Drive. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.